Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make a text curvy on Canva. So I'm just going to select text and I'm just going to be adding a heading, and I'm just going to type in wave. And I'm also going to change the font of it too, and I'm just going to change the color of it too. Go to effects and select curve and adjust the curvature of the text. I think I'm going to change the text like the text to something else so it's longer. Type in beach, something like that, and then I'm going to adjust the curvature of it, and I'm just going to copy and paste it. And then I'm going to go to effects again, and I'm going to change the curve like this so that I can kind of connect it. I'm going to adjust it just a little bit again so it can connect to the other text like so. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Hold on, let me just finish this. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!